I speak French, but I'm not fluent. Can, must, should, may. Correct answer is must. You study hard to get good grades. Can, must, should, may. Correct answer is must. The meeting start at 10 o'clock. It might be earlier. Can, must, should, might. Correct answer is might. I borrow your pen. Can, must, should, may. Can I borrow your pen? We finish the project by tomorrow. Can, must, should, may. We can finish the project by tomorrow. She be angry. I didn't call her back. Can, must, should, may. She must be angry. I didn't call her back. You eat junk food all the time. It's unhealthy. Can, must not, should not, may not. You must not. Correct answer is must not. It rain tomorrow. Can, must, should, may. Correct answer is may. May it rain tomorrow. He speak 3 languages fluently. Can, must, should, may. He can speak 3 languages fluently. We go to the beach this weekend. The weather forecast is good. Can, must, should. We can go to the beach this weekend. I finish this task on time if I hurry. Can, must, should, would. I can finish this task on time if I hurry. She be here by now. Maybe she got stuck in traffic. Can, must, should, might. She might be here by now. Maybe she got stuck in traffic. You wear a jacket. It's cold outside. Listen on vacation in Hawaii. She be enjoying the beach weather. Can, must, should, may. Correct answer is can. The movie was cancelled, so we have gone to the park instead. Can, must, should, would have. The correct answer is can. You finished your homework before you go out to play. Can, must, should, may. Correct answer is must. I speak French, but I am not fluent yet. Can, must, should, would. The correct answer is can. We finish the project on time if we work hard. Can, must, should, would. The correct answer is should. He be a doctor. He's been studying medicine for years. Can, must, should, would. The correct answer is can. You eat healthy foods to stay in shape. Can, must, should, would. The correct answer is should. They have left for their trip already. Their flight was early this morning. Can, must, should, would. The correct answer is can. According to the rules, you park in this area without a permit. Can't, must not, should not, need not. The correct answer is cannot. If you the instructions carefully, you wouldn't have made that mistake. Can have followed, must have followed, should have followed. Correct answer is can have followed. Lisa is really tired. She go to be Lisa is really tired. She go to bed early tonight. Can, must, should, would. The correct answer is must. There is a chance of snow tomorrow. We bring warm clothes. Can, must, should, may. The correct answer is can. I believe you won the race. Congratulations. Can, must, should, may. The correct answer is can. I can believe. The deadline is approaching. You start working on the report now. Can, must, should, may. The correct answer is must.